Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As a follow-up to the previous video on failed breakouts, let's take a look at GLD. Go back to this closing high on a weekly basis. That was sometime in July of 2015. And then there's a failed breakout attempt right here. I don't know that you can see it, but this red candle there, or red bar, was a breakout attempt that failed. And here we can see what happened. Is from this failed breakout, we've eventually gone on to drift lower. But that's not the key. Actually, the key here, in my opinion, is that this failed breakout here corresponded with what we knew was a big picture resistance level. So let's go back to that monthly chart. And so we're talking about the breakout level somewhere there at the beginning of August. And as I always say, keep watch of monthly charts, because at the beginning of August seemed like it was moving higher, but what it was actually doing was coming back on a month-to-month chart to test this break level, and we were very sensitive at the time to that reversal possibility. So this was the high in 2012, and so what the market was doing in early August 2015 was pretty much coming back to test this line. We suspected reversal based on that evidence there. So the failed breakout was a big tell as to what the market was trying to do. So once we failed to break out here, it confirms our suspicion at the time that the monthly charts were going to be controlling, and of course this drop has not been a surprise. Alright, so as a bonus view, take a look at this break. So there was a weekly closing low there, and there was an attempt to break below that, and you can see here the market rejected this breakout or breakdown attempt. Rejection there, rejection again here. All right, and that also did correspond with improvement in the RSI. Keep in mind, prices had made lower lows week to week. RSI was showing an improvement, and then again another improvement, while prices were trying to break down. So the technicals were improving. The price failed to break down. It refused to close below this weekly closing low. Given also the positive divergence, as we see here, with this improvement in the RSI. And so what we have here is an attempt to break down that fails in price. While all this is taking place, the technicals were improving, and since then you can see that gold went on a recovery run. So again, we see the evidence of using failed breakouts here to time a potential drop, and also using failed breakdowns here to time a potential recovery. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Mwah. Woo!